Alright folks, get ready because this video will make you smile from ear to ear. This girl goes to the Board of Education meeting and absolutely exposes the corruption that's going on there. All the big money they're pocketing along with low test scores. These shameless parasites have to sit there and take it. The end of the video is the best, where everyone claps after her speech. This is what America needs at the moment. Holding government accountable is the most patriotic thing the people can do. We pay taxes. The least they can do is be transparent. But accountability is something public servants seem to despise. This video was found on one of those channels that don't give credit, so if you know where this video comes from, let us know in the comment section so we can pin it to the top. What we did find out for you was the names and photos of the board members and included that in the video. Without further ado, folks, let's get right to it. We'll see you at the end of the video with our final thoughts.
According to a chart on Chippewa Valley School's own website, every single teacher in the district is making well over $100,000 per year. So is every counselor, principal, media specialist, director, coordinator, and supervisor. It seems the only ones not making over $100,000 are the lunch ladies. At the November meeting, I outed Superintendent Roberts' salary of almost $400,000, which is nearly as much as the U.S. President. With these types of salaries, parents should expect extremely high proficiency scores and academic excellence, but that's not the case. More money does not equal better education. Proficiency scores are as low as 20% in this district. Chippewa Valley High School is ranked 384th out of 735 Michigan high schools. In 2018, your average standard score was 59.42, but went down to 21.68 last year. Your Michigan State percentile is only 18%, meaning 82% of Michigan students scored better on standardized tests than those at Chippewa Valley. You have a 1-star rating on the largest school evaluation website, and you're failing your special needs students too. Their score is only 12, and their Michigan State percentile is now only 3.4%, which is 0 stars on the rating website. Some of you have been on this board for years and things have gotten worse in this district. One thing has remained unchanged since 2011, and that's Mr. Roberts being superintendent. Every parent in this district should be asking this board, why is Mr. Roberts still the superintendent here? Another question is, why is Mr. Roberts running these board meetings? Why is he blocking and controlling information to a board member? He's not a member of this board. Things have gotten really convoluted here and boundaries have been crossed. The school board is the governing body of the school district and Mr. Roberts is only an advisor to this board. Mr. Pearl, as board president, it's actually your job to preside over and conduct these meetings, not the superintendent's. Mr. Roberts should not even be speaking unless giving a report on district issues or if a question is posed to him. And he definitely does not have the authority to control information or access or ban specific board members from anything. So, Mr. Pearl, why are you allowing the superintendent to usurp your authority at these meetings? Maybe you shouldn't be the board president. It's no wonder this district is failing. You can't even conduct a school board meeting correctly. It's a new year now and time for a new direction for this board. Put student academic success at your priority and start following proper procedures and rules for these meetings. Thank you.
What do you guys notice when you watch videos of city council meetings? If there's one thing that I notice every time is that all the seats are always empty. We got people paying for tickets to go to the theaters. We got people filling up the arenas at sporting events. The Super Bowl is the biggest stage in the world. But our city council meetings, 100% completely empty. Well, maybe not 100%. We do have a few people going in there, asking questions, demanding answers. This right here is what I like to see, folks. Misappropriation of funds is happening in a city near you. Corruption is happening in your neighborhood. And not all criminals get caught. Many of those criminals work in government. If the people don't ask questions, if the people don't hold government accountable, who else is going to do it? Are they going to one day fess up and say, hey, I've been pocketing too much money? Or hey, we gave out a no-bid contract and got a kickback. Absolutely not, folks. They never fess up. As you've seen in this video, this girl is jamming them up because the main board member is making about as much money as the President of the United States, at least on paper. I want to commend this girl for going up there, having the courage to speak up. I definitely want to see more videos like this. I learned a lot from a channel called Jersey Watcher. Crystal Macropolis goes up there, and they've tried to shut him up so many times. He's had to hit him with the case laws so they could back off. If you have videos of going to your city council meetings that you want us to check out, copy your links and paste into recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Leave us as much information as possible. Let us know what's happening. We'll highlight your videos and get your channels recognized. We'll drop a link in the description for you. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you on the next video. Peace.